Take the mini bike. Want to give it a shot. Just put in the new 224. So want to see how it does in some dense terrain. All right. All right, it's a lot denser than I thought it would be. Got one. Oh. You might have noticed I'm using a kiddie reel. I am, because my handle fell off yesterday and I didn't want to dink around with it this morning, so I just decided to take my son's reel. It's working not too bad, so subscribe. Get out and fish, get out in the woods. It's always fun.